Yes, sir.
Okay, have all of you completed task assignment? Most of you sent your mail. Very good and appreciating your commitment. Anyone have any doubts while you create your task? Have you got full knowledge about pivot table and conditional formatting or having any doubts still?
No doubt, sir.
And now you got the idea to create a pivot table and apply conditional formatting. You can use this in your regular process or regular activity or regular personal thing. Any, or you can use it for any kind of things. So same like there are VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP functions are there. Did you know about VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP? Okay, so now VLOOKUP is nothing. It is using to get the data from the collection of data. I will show you how can we apply VLOOKUP.
Hi, sir.
Hello? Yeah, Vidya.
Yeah, it is used to do one particular sheet item to find another particular sheet in VLOOKUP.
Yeah. That's it.
It's or IDs or item IDs, item name. So that is used to do VLOOKUP.
Yeah. So we need to fix one common data which is available here and there. You need to track through that constant. I will share my screen once. Okay, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
So now here is the data. Yes, here is some data, employee code and their name and their designation. So in this sheet, I need a name of this particular employee code employees. Okay. In usual way, we need to how we can find a name of this employee. You can go here and find the employee code, and it will be fine. You can copy paste the name here. Then you go for next one. You need to find here. And you need to copy paste the next one. So this process will take more and more time. So using VLOOKUP, we can fetch the data in 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. Okay. So how can we apply VLOOKUP is just it is a formula. So every formula begin with equal symbol. So equal formula name is VLOOKUP. Okay, we look up and open brace. So this employee name is my need. So I need to select this employee code and then comma. Where is the data? Here. In this sheet, this particular code is available in this column. So I need to select this column. Here I need a name. So this is the name. You need to drag till name. Okay, then comma. Then you need to tell the position of your need. So here, this is first column, this is second column. So our need is name. Name is in second column. So I need to mention 2 here and comma and 0. Okay, and closing bracket. Once I click enter, I will get the name. Once I copy paste the formula, I will get all the names. Okay, so this is why we using VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is a formula to fetch a particular data using the similar data which is available in the sheet and the dump or data. Okay, so how we apply the formula is VLOOKUP, and this particular similar code is available in this column. I need name, so I drag it till name. Then I need to give a position. So name is in second position from the this, from where the similar data is available. Okay, so comma 2, and finally we need to mention 0. For y means if you put a 0, it will compare here and there. If the data is exactly matched, it will show the answer. If there is some spaces or any other codes are there, the lookup formula will not work. Okay, so you can apply the same formula now. We look up this code, comma, in this dump, from this to this, comma, name is in second position, to, comma, exact match, so 0. Now showing result is NA, not available. Okay, why is now showing not available? This exact data is not available there. Okay, so here is the number, but there is some missing, so lost. Here is some apostrophe, but here it is nothing. Once here is also apostrophe is available, the result will show. Exact match. Okay, exact match. This is why we mentioning 0. Otherwise, we can put 1. Partial match. Okay, partial match means you can give an answer. So now we are telling if not exact also, but you can't get an exact appropriate answer. Okay, it will take a partial like DL05 or DL or 97 or 59 or 05, anything it will take. When you put 1, it will take any similar, any partial similarities. Okay, DL or 05 or 97. So 0 is the 0 will give you exact answer. 1 will give you appropriate answer. So this is use of VLOOKUP. So now I need designation. So now we can get a designation from here using VLOOKUP. So formula is equal to VLOOKUP, and this is the code, comma. This is available in this term here. Designation is here, so we need to drag it till designation, and then we need to give a index number. Index number is, this is first column, second column, third column. So 3, comma, exact match or partial match. We need an exact match. Okay. So using VLOOKUP, you can get a data in fraction of second from the huge data. Okay, actually this is a huge data. You can get a simple way using VLOOKUP. Simple method. Okay, so now I will explain how we give a position. Okay, number 2 or 3 or 4 or so how can we mention is the position of the required column available from the source of the column, right? I will explain. And one more thing, VLOOKUP is only work when you work on left to right method. Okay, you can't go with a name to code. So you have a name, but you need a code, means you don't go with the VLOOKUP using from this data to this data. VLOOKUP is only using when you're searching a data from left to right. Okay, it can't go backward, it only go forward only. So now you have a name, but you need a code. Okay, in that scenario, you can get the data with you adding one row here. You can add a one row and just copy paste this. Okay, so now you can go with the formula equal to designation field is changed, so we look up this name, comma, this name is available in this sheet, in this column. I need a designation. Okay, I need designation, so I need to drag it till designation. From this position only we need to calculate the index number, not from A column. We need to calculate index number from where the data is available. Okay, so this data is available in B column till designation column, and the designation position is 1, 2, 3, comma 0. Okay. The two thing, you can use VLOOKUP only get a forward looking data. You can go with the backward data. Second thing is you need to mention index number from where the data is available in this dump. Okay, now you have a designation, but you don't have a name, means you need to search similar data is designation, and you need to drag it from here to until, and you need to mention the index number from this column. Okay, this is VLOOKUP. Okay, is there any doubt here? Anyone have any questions or anything?
No doubt, sir, it's clear.
for all?
Yes, sir, no doubt.
So this is how we work VLOOKUP. I put formula in chat. This is formula. Equal to VLOOKUP source cell, comma, go to the dump where the source data is similar. Select the entire column where the source is available and select till where what you need and then comma, and then you need to give a position. Position is from the source column where is the data is available. Okay, from the source column where the data is available, comma, it is available in second column of source, comma, 0. So this is the formula. சொல்லுங்க. Looking about data validation. Okay, So anyone know about data validation? Data validation video is completed, right? That chapter. Data column. In Excel, it will show us data validation. So when we use the data validation is, if you need to enter some data or your team need to enter some data, but they must enter correctly without any spelling mistake or without any grammar mistake. Means you can select, you can create a data validation in that field. Then there is a drop down only available. People can select from drop down. Okay. So 1 second, I will explain. So here I will put the data validation for designation. So designation here we need to enter like freelancer or intern or JC or SNA provider. Okay. So this is a common thing we need to enter in all column this within the four, right? So she is one, either she is the intern or she is a freelancer or she is a JC or she is a SSO. All these users come under these four criteria only. So we can select, create a data validation here, and usually we can select from the drop down. So select the range, and go to validation. In allow, you can select you can go with the list. So this is the designations available from this. So now you can select. Exact. Okay, now I will explain how to apply data validation using list. So list is nothing but you can um, okay, using list is nothing but you can list what you need to enter in this particular cell. Okay, so all these employees comes under this particular list only. So you can, so you may know this is will repeated, this is will mention here. So you can list out the criteria or the list in any cell or in any You can create pivot table in the same sheet. Here or here or here, wherever. Existing sheet. So need to drag down the designation in rows and designation in values. So here is the number. Dual answer total is 82. Intent total is 88. JC total is 33. NAPS total is 28. Sin agreement total is 22. SME is 1. Hello. Total. Okay. Okay, so this is pivot table and this is data validation and this is VLOOKUP. So try it in your PC Excel and ask me if you have any doubts. I will clear while you work or while you doing. Okay, then if there is any questions you can ask. Otherwise, I will end off.